Today on 28th July, we are celebrating World Nature Conservation Day. On this day, we should take oath that we will do and take each and every necessary step to conserve nature, save environment for our coming generations. It is very necessary that we should wake up at right time before it's too late for our coming generation.